So this is the Forever C9, which I'm going to open up. Is a 9-day sort of cleansing to get rid of all the extra foods and stuff that we've had during the Christmas period. So I'm just going to open up the box and see what's inside. It says lovely smile. So happy to see the smile. And inside the box, first thing is the C9. It's the Build a Foundation for Looking Better, Feeling Better. So that's first thing, one booklet out. Then next booklet about sports and weight management. And you have all the products. You have the bottle for the shakes. You have the shake, little cup for your drinks. For your drinks here. This is a shake. That's in the box. Shake that's in the box. Then there's all the different supplements for you to have during the 9 days. And then all the different drinks.